Hello everybody, so today in this video I am going to be unboxing these, which I kind of have already got in my head that I'm sending back because of the experience that I had from the place where I bought them. I got these from Zavvi, and essentially what they are trainers that are based on Assassin's Creed. But I ordered these on the 27th of August. It's now the 26th of September, and I've been chasing them up on this for, well, a couple of weeks, and they kept saying, no, we can't cancel it, no, we can't cancel it, no, we can't cancel it, like for the 2 weeks. It's like, yeah, you can cancel it in that time. But they kind of refused and then said, oh, by the way, we've shipped them. It's like, I don't want you to ship them, I wanted you to cancel it. But anyway, I'm going to show you them anyway. But as I said, I'm probably not going to keep them. But it is a kind of collaboration between Akedo, I think that's how you pronounce this brand. The box is really nice, I like this box an awful lot. And, okay, everything you see is part of me, apparently. That's what that says up there. This box is really nice, I do like this a lot. Like, these sold out really quickly. So I don't know, but let's have a gander. So here they are. They are based on Assassin's Creed Valhalla, which is pretty epic. I do like them. I don't know how I feel now that I've just been messed about that much by the company. Oh, they are really nice though. I just keep buying shoes. I need to stop buying shoes. How do I feel about these? I like them a lot. They have a Ubisoft thing on here as well. I do like them. I'm annoyed at myself because I like them. And they're the Valhalla ones as well. And I'm a big fan of Vikings and stuff, so I don't know how I feel. How do you feel? What should I do with these trainers? Should I send them back? Should I keep them? There's this on here as well. It says Assassin's Creed Valhalla on there. Oh, these are really nice. I don't know. I'll try them on, see how I get on. But this box is awesome. I love this box. So yeah, that's just a really quick unboxing video of these. Help me figure out what I'm going to do. See you later.